My dad thinks he was schizophrenia. I don't really know if he had a disease. Maybe my dad thinks that because his dad told him that to make them feel better, but maybe it wasn't. I have a theory they sent him there because of his race. The society at the time didn't like black people, and Zé Mauro was black. Barbacena, a city 200 kilometers away from the capital of the state, Minas Gerais in Brazil, was the home of one of the biggest and most brutal asylums, today considered a dark memory in our history as a symbol of the Brazilian Holocaust. The asylum opened on 1903 and closed on 1980. Between this time, more than 6,000 people died in the hospital. The patients included not only those who had mental health problems, but also political prisoners, women that didn't fit the norm of the time, lost their virginity before marrying, black people, all of those who were unwanted by society. The patients would arrive by train every Tuesday and Thursday. The only difference between the regular train and the one that carried the inmates was its name, Trem de Doido, which translates as crazy train, now a popular saying in Brazil. The treatment at the hospital included shock therapy with anesthesia 3 times a day. If the patient's disease were considered severe, the doctors would operate on their brain. Their bed was made of grass and some patients would be chained to their prison bar. When a patient died, one of the workers would collect their bodies and stack it on a buggy. He would take it to the local cemetery and dump all of them in a big hole on the ground and close it. At my grandfather's farm, a few kilometers away from the city, a boy called Zé Mauro was born. There he lived during his childhood until he became a grown adult. As a child, he would play with my dad and his brothers and sisters. As he became older, Zé Mauro developed into a strong man, however not a smart one. One of his tasks at the farm was to exchange milk for serum at one of the local cheese factories and give it to the pigs. As the years went by, Zé Mauro started to change. He started going through episodes where he would have hallucination and delusions because of his strength, and his parents were unable to give him the care he needed. So as a last resource, he was sent to the local asylum and never seen again.